Did you know people have been growing peppers for over 6,000 years? Amazing. These fiery little fruits have history, and they're more popular than ever. But getting a bumper crop, that takes know-how. Are you tired of store-bought peppers that lack flavor? Ready to unleash your inner green thumb and grow your own pepper paradise? Sure, basic gardening advice helps. But sometimes you need those tips, the ones seasoned gardeners use. These lesser-known hacks can make all the difference. Well, you've come to the right place. We're taking a look into the world of pepper growing. Let's uncover some lesser-known tips that will transform you into a pepper-growing pro. Get ready for a bountiful pepper harvest. First up, compost tea. Nothing beats the power of compost tea. It is a liquid fertilizer packed with beneficial microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. These microorganisms help to improve soil structure, creating better drainage and aeration, enhance nutrient uptake by making essential minerals available to plants, boost plant growth by stimulating healthy root development and foliage, suppress diseases by outcompeting harmful pathogens, attract beneficial insects by creating a healthy garden ecosystem that can work wonders for your garden. Brew your own nutrient-rich elixir by steeping compost in water for a few days. Dilute it before feeding your plants for a healthy boost. Peppers love well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. But here's the secret. Amend your soil with compost and eggshells. Eggshells are often overlooked, but they're a fantastic source of calcium. This mineral is essential for healthy peppers. Calcium helps build sturdy cell walls, preventing conditions like blossom end rot, a common pepper problem. Improved fruit quality, which calcium contributes to thicker, juicier, and more flavorful peppers. So, how do you use compost and eggshells? Prepare the soil. Before planting, incorporate a generous amount of compost into your garden bed. Aim for at least 2 to 3 inches. Crush those shells. Clean and dry your eggshells, then crush them into small pieces. Blend it all in. Mix the crushed eggshells into the compost-amended soil. Your peppers will thank you. Consistency is key. Making regular applications of compost will maintain soil health throughout the growing season. Balance is important. While calcium is beneficial, too much can lead to nutrient imbalances. Use eggshells in moderation. Consider other amendments. For extra nutrition, consider adding bone meal or blood meal to your compost mix. Ready to explore the fascinating world of companion planting? This is a gardening technique where you strategically plant different plants together to benefit each other. When it comes to peppers, certain companions can help repel pests, attract pollinators, or improve soil conditions. Planting basil alongside your peppers isn't just pretty, it's strategic. Basil and peppers are a classic example of companion planting. When grown together, they support each other in various ways. Basil repels common pepper pests like aphids and spider mites. These pests can cause significant damage to your pepper plants, but the strong scent of basil acts as a natural deterrent, keeping them at bay. Plus, it enhances the flavor of your peppers. Win-win. The aromatic oils in basil can actually improve the taste of your peppers, making your harvest even more delicious. Imagine the culinary possibilities with fresh, flavorful peppers and basil from your garden. Another great companion planting pair is marigolds. These beautiful flowers help deter nematodes, which are microscopic worms that can damage pepper roots. By planting marigolds near your peppers, you can protect your plants and ensure a bountiful harvest. Carrots are also good companions. Their deep roots help loosen the soil for pepper plants, improving drainage. They also attract beneficial insects like ladybugs. Garlic, onions, and chives are excellent pepper companions. They repel aphids and other pests while adding flavor to your dishes. Cilantro, rosemary, and parsley also repel pests like spider mites and aphids. By understanding and utilizing the principles of companion planting, you can create a more sustainable and productive garden. Not only will your plants be healthier, but you'll also enjoy a more diverse and flavorful harvest. Peppers prefer a deep, infrequent watering over shallow, frequent watering. This approach encourages strong root growth, making your plants more resilient to drought and disease. Deep watering is beneficial for stronger roots. When plants have to search deeper for water, their root systems develop more extensively. This leads to healthier, more established plants. Deeply watered soil holds moisture longer, reducing the frequency of watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot and fungal diseases. By allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings, you can help prevent these issues. The best way to water deeply is to aim to water deeply enough to saturate the soil to a depth of about 6 to 8 inches. Before watering, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. Avoid overhead watering. This can lead to fungal diseases and prevent the soil from drying out evenly. Mulch is a gardener's best friend, especially for peppers. It helps to retain moisture. By creating a barrier between the soil and the hot sun, mulch helps to prevent water evaporation. It also helps to suppress weeds. A thick layer of mulch can help to choke out weeds, reducing competition for water and nutrients. Mulch helps to protect the soil from extreme temperature fluctuations, benefiting your pepper plants. Common mulch options include wood chips, straw, compost, and shredded leaves. Apply a layer of mulch around your pepper plants, being careful not to cover the base of the stems. Peppers are sensitive to extreme temperatures. They thrive best in a balanced environment where the temperature is just right. Too hot, and they'll wilt. The scorching sun can cause the leaves to droop and the plants to become stressed. This can lead to a significant reduction in the yield of your pepper plants. Too cold, and they'll stop growing. Frost can be particularly damaging, causing the plants to become stunted and even die if the temperatures drop too low. Use row covers to protect your plants from frost and intense heat. These protective measures act as a barrier against the elements, ensuring that your peppers remain in a stable environment. Think of it as giving your peppers a cozy blanket. Just like we need protection from extreme weather, so do our plants. By providing them with row covers, you're essentially tucking them in and keeping them safe from the harsh conditions outside. Regularly inspect your pepper plants for any signs of stress or disease. Early detection is key to preventing any potential issues from escalating. Look for yellowing leaves, spots, or any unusual growth patterns. Addressing these problems early on can save your plants and ensure a bountiful harvest. So go ahead and give your peppers the love and care they deserve. Nobody wants to share their hard-earned peppers with pests. Instead of harsh chemicals, try natural solutions. A spray bottle filled with soapy water can deter aphids. Sprinkling diatomaceous earth around your plants keeps slugs and snails away. For more pest control tips, check out our playlist with other videos we've made on this topic. Knowing when to harvest your peppers can be tricky. Here's the secret. Gently squeeze the pepper. If it feels firm and slightly gives to pressure, it's ready. Use pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. Give your peppers some extra love. Rotate your crops yearly to prevent soil-borne diseases. Provide support for taller varieties with stakes or cages. And don't be afraid to prune any yellowing leaves or branches. Did these tips help you? Share your pepper growing stories in the comments below. I love hearing from fellow gardeners. What gardening tips and tricks have worked for your pepper plant? Happy gardening!